What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you're having a wonderful Sunday, my friends. Hit me with a one if you can hear me loud and clear, and we're going to get right into this. So, today, what we're doing, as promised, for the month of September, I'm going to be doing a $50 giveaway for a Trading Wars Army member. So, anybody with the green in their name, it's only $5 a month. You get exclusive swing trades and day trades every single day. I post on YouTube. So today, to give back, I'm going to be giving someone $50 as part of the Army winner. Okay. And starting next week, I'll resume our normal giveaway. And I just wanted to do something special today. So we're going to do a market outlook on the SPY, the Qs, futures. I'm going to do a Friday trade recap, and we're going to talk about my new pattern and my new book that I've been working on. All right. So hit me with a 25 and let's get into it. All right. So who do we have in the building? Dr. D, what's going on? Wesley, Bill, Bass and Stock Hunter, Trading Wars Army, JD, what's going on? Sid, Deepak, D, Corey, Chachanzer, what's going on? Brian, what's going on? All right, you guys ready to rock and roll? Let's start. Okay, so first thing, let's do the Friday trade recap. I'm just gonna do one trade, and then we're gonna cover that, and then we're gonna go look at the market. Futures has been pushing up after hours here. We can see this is Sunday price action. We started right here, guys, at 6 p.m. and we have been trending a little bit higher so far. So, nothing too crazy, but definitely getting a few points bounce already after hours. So here we go. Let's go into this. We're going to start off with Friday's trade. I want to teach you guys a little strategy. Opening range breakout. Okay, so I'm going to hit the replay. And what I'm doing on this chart is I've removed the Bollinger Bands to hopefully so you guys can see the chart a little bit clearer. Hit me with the 7 if you like the Bollinger Bands. Hit me with the 8 if you don't. I use the Bollinger Bands specifically for long-term investing. What's going on, DC? Magnus. So the long-term investing, not when I'm looking at the 3-minute, the 5-minute chart, I don't care about the Bollinger Bands at all. So I just want to try this out today and see if it's a little bit more clear. Okay. So the first thing we know on Friday, we have a gap down. If there's one day of the week, my friends, that I would just love to trade, and if there was only one thing that I could focus on, it would be Friday, because Friday comes with a lot of volatility, because there a lot of the times at the end of the week, there's big decisions that have to be made by institutions on if they're going to swing trade something and hold it over the weekend. Holding something over the weekend always is risky. It's extremely risky for companies and institutions and just people in general, right? So to counteract that, on Fridays, there's a lot of volatility, a lot of people getting in, a lot of people getting out. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to start off here. This was my live commentary on Friday. I'm also adding some voice notes as well. So, good morning, friends. Gap down coming in. I'll be hunting the opening range breakout to start. So, we went short at 933. Okay. So, pull this right back up here. So, first thing here is, do you guys see the gap on the chart? Let's go ahead and let's look. So, this was Thursday's rally. You could see we pushed down and then we pushed higher. So, we had a trend. Okay. A trend into Friday, right? Thursday, higher lows, continuing that uptrend. However, when we open on Friday, what you'll see is we had gap down. All right, so let me go get that rectangle right here. This is the gap right here. Okay. So if people were going very extremely bullish and getting that FOMO and buying, how do you think they feel at 9:30 in the morning when we gap down? How do you think they feel? Do you think they're feeling happy or sad? Hit me with a 1 for happy, hit me with a 2 for sad. And obviously, we can see here based on the chart, guys, this is a huge trap. This is a huge trap, right? We had a rally, everybody buying, markets going up, bang, Friday, boom, trap. Trap is there. Big gap down. So what do? Well, what I like to do is I watch the first 3-minute candle. Okay. So here's the first 3-minute candle. Once this low is broken right here, that's my short signal. Okay. Because you need to have a system. You just don't just get in right away. You need to have some type of plan. So here's my plan. I'm going to short below the low right here. My maximum stop loss is going to be the high of this candle. All right. Hit me with a 12. Are you following me so far? Okay. So my maximum stop loss is going to be the high of this candle, and I'm going to short below this low. And then as you can see at 9:33, we entered short. Here we go. Bang. So there's your short right there. This one right here, guys, as soon as we got filled, it started to turn around. But I was confident on this gap down that the bears are gonna try and that there is panic. Okay, so I stuck with my stop loss, and then boom, inside bar, bang, breakdown. So once we get that breakdown right there, I went ahead and I moved my stop loss above this candle to give me a tighter risk. And then, guys, we really started to rip lower. And I'm just gonna fast forward this here, and that ended up being the high of the day. So if you had a little bit more patience, you wanted to be wait a little bit more, you had this inside bar as a confirmation because you could see the price action slowing down. We also had the Trading Wars Nirvana, and this one was actually on a Fibonacci, which I'll talk about in a second. But everything for me was pointing towards the downside, and that's why I hit that short. Okay, came with the 75, if that makes sense. Took the orb and short trigger for 2 wins in the first hour. Rich, you the man. Excellent. The hoopers. Well done, my friend. At the end of the day, you're the one pulling the trigger. So you pat yourself on the back. All right. Well done. Okay. So, really big winner, guys. Catching the high of the day on the opening range breakout is one of the best trades you can do, because when you catch the high of the day, it's like you just see the money piling. You're entered, you're short, you're making money, but it just keeps coming. It just keeps on paying because it starts to trend. And those are that's why I still do the opening range breakout, is I live for the opening range breakout when things like this happen. Because on a small account, you could even double your account with one trade. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So you can also do this on the 5 minute chart or the 15. Those are the time frames I check. And on the 5 minute chart, guys, it was a lot more cleaner than the 3 minute. Okay. On the 5 minute chart, we had a doji followed by an inside bar. All you do, you take that short. Once that inside bar breaks, bang, guys, and never ever look back. It's absolutely beautiful. I love day trading. Never gonna give it up, even if sometimes it's hard, because of the potential to double, triple your account in one day. Can do it. Okay. You just have to understand, you have to have a plan. All right. So right after that first push down here, I'm going to take a Fibonacci from the high to the low. We also had this amazing, amazing, amazing 618 rejection right here, guys, with the outside bar confirmation. So for those of you that have the book right here, this is what we call candlestick confirmation. It's an absolutely powerful, powerful, powerful trading setup. It's when you come into the 618 like this, and then on it, you see a rejection candle. So can you guys see the rejection candle on the 618 right here? Hit me with a 10 if you can see it. So not only do we have that outside bar confirmation, but we also have this candle before it is also that hammer, inverted hammer wick. You could visually see the rejections right there. You scroll down right here, my friends, candlestick confirmation, page 48. I talk about that in detail, but that is the A plus setup. So the best thing for me and my style of trading, guys, is on a Friday, within the first hour, to catch one or two solid trades, let those run into the close, and just let the capital stack up. Okay. So that was really, really nice, and a really great way to end the week on Friday. So hit me with a 4 if that all makes sense. So that was the trade recap for Friday. That was the highlight of the week. And I'm just going to show you guys some of the potential here with the points. So if you want to check the points, if you're trading futures here, what you can do is just use the measuring tool here. So this is, let's say you enter short at 45.27. So at 4,500, guys, that's 27 points. Let's say 25 points to round. 25 points. So 20 points is $1,000 on a contract. Okay, so 25 is $1,250 on one single contract, and you can hit it with as many contracts as you can afford. But excellent, excellent trade. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to do a market outlook. So let's go here to the Qs. Okay, so we're here on the Qs, guys. What I notice is a very rare pattern. So I'm going to post this for the Trading Wars Army. Anybody in green, I'm going to post this, and I'm just going to talk about this setup if you guys want to take it. So the last time we had a very powerful double inside week on the Qs was actually back here in February. But the last time it was up against highs was back in December of 21, which was the high of the market, guys. So that was a really, really nasty trade. And one thing I wanted to point out, if we take our Fibonacci from high to low right here, guys. So it's gonna anchor it here, and I'm gonna double click and add the 786. We are rejecting right on that 786. So this is a very critical, crucial time in the stock market here. If the bulls turn this corner, guys, and rip through these double inside bars, there's a good chance that they will break into new all-time highs, which could be probably before the end of the year or early next year. Hit me with the 75 if that makes sense. If we turn down, I expect the bears to pull this down, guys, at least back to this 20 EMA or into the 618 Fibonacci. And that's the name of the game. 2 weeks on the cues of chopping. So this is the week where we're going to see a lot of breakout, a lot of potential, a lot of, we already actually had it on SPY. Okay. So we already had that breakout on SPY. On ES, you see, boom, the inside bar broke. We had a nice little 20, 30 point runner that we took, and then it turned around. All right. So we were able to lock in profits on that. But the cues are still waiting. They're still lagging behind. And there's a very high chance it's going to explode because I've never seen a triple inside week. All right, on this chart for the cues. I've never seen one. So it's a very, very high chance that we break that. And they're already trying to move the market. Like we said, guys, here's the hourly chart right here for futures. 3 green candles working on right now. So they are very aggressive right now with futures. So hit me with the 12 if that all makes sense. So very simply, what you can do is you can watch these levels right here, 370.81 for the turn, for the bulls, and then for the bears right here, guys, right below 370.26, taking that back down. Either way, I'll be looking on both sides, and I'll be love to watching the price action. So one thing that I really want to point out here, guys, is that I have a dream and I have a vision, and I want to share it with you guys, my friends. You guys are my friends, and you guys are my inspiration. And I always try to get better. So this is something that I've been working on a lot, my friends, and I'm very pleased to announce this, that I am the Fibonacci Dragon. I am the Fibonacci Dragon. All right, hit me with a 4 if that sounds pretty crazy. I am the Fibonacci Dragon. And everything that I do is based on the 618. 618 is everything in life. You can Google the 618 Fibonacci. It's nature, it's growth, it's humans, it's birth. And I'm so excited to share this pattern with you guys. Ready? Here we go. So I am creating the Fibonacci Dragon pattern. All right, guys. And it is an extremely powerful pattern. It can be used on all time frames. So I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek. Okay, so here I'm on the 15-minute chart of the cues. We have a initial starting point here, and we push down and we pull back right here. Okay, so so let's just stop right there. Okay, so let me just delete this. Okay, so I just want to show you this. This right here, guys, pull back right here. This is a 618. I'm going to put on the full, and I'm going to show you what I've been developing here. Okay, so watch this very carefully now. So we have this initial push down. We pull back to the 618. This is our standard short. So we would short right here. Oops. Let's go back and let me just put a box around that. So we would normally short right here. Hit me with the 14 if you're following me. That's the standard short that we take as a team. Trading Wars, we take those whenever we see them every day in the Discord. We see the 618, we take that. Okay. This 618, it continues and it trades the 272 extension right here. So the 272 extension is the key reversal point. Okay, it's a key reversal point. However, guys, there's something else. Okay, there's something else that I've been studying. Here is the next step. Watch closely. So we start off in push down, pull back to the 618, trade to the 272 extension, and then we pull back one more time here, guys. We pull back one more time here. Where do we pull back? So I'm going to leave this anchor. Watch now. Where do we pull back? Now we have this initial move up here, high to low. Right there, we pull back right here to this 618 or the 786, any one of these two levels. For me, I'm just focusing on the 618 for now. But right here, guys, you have your rejection, and this rejection rolls over. And you might be saying, like, Rich, that's like, what is that? Trust me, guys, it's something that I've been seeing in my dreams and I've been working on. Let's find another one here on this chart for you guys, okay? So here we go. Push, pull back, extension, 618 should be right there. Let's see. Take a Fibonacci from the low to the high. Bang, 618, guys. I swear to you guys, I did not even draw that up before. I could just start seeing these things now. Hit me with the 75 if that's awesome. That's 618. There's something else there. The Fibonacci Dragon, guys. We're bringing the power. Trust me, I can feel it in my bones, guys. Here we go. Put this in green. Beauty. Okay, so we'll put that in green. Let's put the outside in black. There's the dragon. Where's the dragon, you say? I'll show you. There it is. Look at this, my friends. This is the wings of the dragon. This is the body, and this is the head right here. Hit me with a 14 if that's awesome. That, my friends, is the Fibonacci Dragon. Wow. Wow. I love it. So basically, guys, what I've dedicated here is $100,000 of capital to this pattern. I will be taking every single of one of these patterns that I can do physically and that I can see. Okay. I will be trading on the hourly, the 15, the 5 minute. If I got to go down to the 1 minute chart, I will find this pattern. And let's do it right now. Okay. Let's go down. Let's go down to the 1 minute. I don't care, guys. I want to dedicate to this pattern. Okay. I want to dedicate to this pattern here. All right. So here's another one. I could just see this right here, guys. This is the last, this is from about, what is that? 3 o'clock on Friday into the close. Watch closely. Start from the anchor, pull up. Here's a pullback. Here's the extension. Here's the completion right there. Okay. This dragon has a big wing on the right side. This is, let me think. This is either a 618. This looks a little bit deeper, probably 786. Let's go ahead. Low to high. Beautiful. See that, guys? Look at this multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the close. Hit me with a 7 if you see that. And what I'm going to do is stop loss is going to be either at the low right here or it's going to be on the 90%. It's going to be one of those. All right. And here's the dragon. Right there, my friends. Beautiful. I keep seeing it everywhere. I just have to master it now. I see it everywhere. I just have to master it. It's the thing about the Fibonacci, and I'm sorry that I'm kind of like just going in a trance, but the thing about the Fibonacci is it replicates itself on every single time frame. It's absolutely just mind blowing. You're on the weekly chart, you're on the monthly chart, you're on the daily chart, you're on the seconds, the ticks, and it's just replicating itself. It's like it just makes you understand that this market itself is organic. It's organic because it's humans. It's universal. Hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. All right, guys, enough of that. I'll stop right now. Going too far with this. Pull that up. All right. So back to the regular schedule programming, guys. All right. So, my friends, I'll be putting aside $100,000 of capital to master that pattern. And I want to share my journey and my experience with you on that pattern. And I don't want anyone to be trading those patterns until I feel that I've done enough of my own due diligence to discuss more about it. But I want to be remembered for trying new things and trying to get better. And if I fall flat on my face, I'm totally okay with it. So please make sure you subscribe, comment. We will go through the journey and we will continue to just go through this step by step every week. And we will look at multiple time frames and we will continue to hunt this pattern as well as our normal 618 that we always do. It's time to go to the next level. Okay. All right. So my new Fibonacci book is based on the 618. It's called The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. It's going to give you lifetime access to the Fibonacci Trading War Society. And the society, guys, will be a mystery school that I'm working on with everything that we're doing. It's not going to be, it's going to be for Fibonacci lovers. Okay. You have to love the Fibonacci. It's not for people that don't appreciate it because you have to understand the Fibonacci in order to master this. You have to understand the concept of the pullback and the concept of the extension. And that's how everything is. You have a move, you pull it back, and then you extend or you crash. Okay. So right now, guys, if you would like, I have the link, my friends. I'm just gonna copy the link right here and I'm gonna send it in the chat. You can sign up for 10% off. This is the priority list. I haven't sent the book out yet. I'm not done with it, but I've shown you some clips on it already. And if you want, you can pre-order the book, which means you can pay right now for 20% off. It's gonna 20% off will equal $120. just email me at rich@tradingwars.com and I'll send you the link. You'll have lifetime access. Like I said, I could have charged, maybe I could have probably charged $500 or $600 for a lifetime access, but I didn't think that would be fair. So 120 guys, pre-order right now. If you want to lock that in, I have a few spots left. All right. As always, though, check me out, tradingwars.com. You want to come trade live with us in the Discord, it's $50 a month. As always, check us out. And I will be exploring this pattern, and I'm very grateful for that opportunity. So this is what we're going to do right now to wrap this up. Let's do the $50 giveaway. All right, Rich, are you planning to include the basics of the dragon? Not yet, because the dragon needs to go through at least 30 to 50 to 100 trades of real capital. So the trades that are going to be in this Fibonacci book are real capital trades with real profit and loss and commissions and slippage. So the truth. But I will not post something just because I think it's cool. I need to actually trade it. All right. So that one is going to be coming once I actually have completed the trades. And it might be a failure. It might be a failure, but I'm totally okay with that. I'm totally okay with giving something a chance to become the future of trading. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and let's do the $50 giveaway right now. Okay. So for the Trading Wars Army members, I'm going to give you guys a chance to just make sure if you want to be a part of the $50 draw, you can sign up. You can still join right now. Okay. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So this is my channel. Here's the live video that you're watching right now. If you click the join button, guys, it's $4.99. It gives you exclusive access to the seminars that we do, as well as it gives you access to the membership tab. All right, so just want to show you guys the perks you get. If you go to the membership tab, what you'll see is exclusive option picks, different things that I do, swing trades, some of the biggest swing trades. Like for example, this was the plan that we issued for the weekly breakout on futures. I can go back here. That was that breakout here that got us a good bit of points. And so there's a lot of good content for $4.99, guys. I think it's a super sweet deal. So you can go ahead right now, my friends, and just hit that join button and you'll still be eligible to join this $50 giveaway. And I'm just going to give you guys a time. I'll give you guys a minute or two if you want to go ahead and still join. And next week, I will do a regular giveaway for anyone that's subscribed to the YouTube channel. So don't feel like you have to. There's giveaways for members, there's giveaway for non-members. So always going to be giveaways. Okay. So I'm just going to give you guys another minute and then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. All right, guys. Okay. So here we go. You guys ready? Hit me with a 1. Hit me with a 1 if you guys are ready. All right, let's wrap this up. So here we go. We got a new member here, Candace. Candace, my friend, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Thank you, Candace. Let's welcome Candace and TW Army Spy VIP. Bang, bang, boom. All right, let's go. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead here, guys, and I'm going to go to my members tab. So normally I would just pick a random number and show you guys, but because the members tab has confidential information, I'm not able to show you guys, but I have the winner here. Right here, guys. So the winner is Miss Art Happy. Art Happy. I know you for a while. I know you've been following me for a while, and I'm happy that you won this giveaway. I really am. Okay. So Art Happy, $50 winner for this round. Every month we'll be doing a $50 giveaway as long as you're a member. So Art Happy, this is what you can do. I can pay you in through PayPal. If you are a Discord member, I can refund one of your months of 50. I can give you a book. I can give you a month free. Anything you want, the options are there. So Art Happy, I don't know if you're in the chat. Art Happy, if you're in the chat, hit me with the 7. If not, that's totally fine. Just email me, rich@tradingwars.com. So Art Happy, you are the winner again. Okay. And thank you guys. Really looking forward to this week and really looking for that big move. And I'm really excited for the future to come. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com to get your 20% off the price and lock in the membership for the lifetime access. Dragons for life. And let's go ahead and let's kill it. All right. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. Take care.